Hello everyone. I'm proud to share with you how the Academy of Executive Coaching is working to make a difference in our community. Through our programs and initiatives, we're helping individuals and teams unlock their full potential. We offer workshops, training, and resources that empower people with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in today's world. But it's not just about the training and services that we provide. At the heart of our mission is to make a difference to the world through coaching. We're committed to make coach training widely accessible, including for staff and volunteers who work in organisations that fight against modern slavery. And we do this as part of our corporate social responsibility campaign. We offer pro bono coaching and mentoring to support modern slavery organisations and networks. We work to educate ourselves and our alumni and our networks about modern slavery, about the global trends and also the realities of modern slavery in everyday communities. The Academy of Executive Coaching is more than a business. It's a community of caring individuals who are dedicated to making a difference. Thank you for your support and for being part of our mission. Join us in making a difference. Together we are stronger.